All right, we're at Will's house, aka ENC Outfitter, and just shooting bows like we do on a normal basis. And we're gonna do a little competition. We have 2 3 spots at 20 yards. We're gonna shoot 5 ends, but each end we have to flip a coin. We both flip the coin, and if we flip heads, we have to shoot our buttons. If we shoot tails, we have to shoot our hinges. So don't know what you're gonna shoot for the round until you flip the coin. So stay with us, it should be fun.
Harriet Tubman.
So I half already forgot what heads or tails was.
We're gonna go tails.
Tails is hinge.
Tails, hinge, heads, button.
That's for you.
It is tails.
Hey, come on.
Oh, I thought we were both doing the same.
Nope.
We have to do the same.
No, we don't.
That doesn't make any sense.
All right, fine. Tails, hinge.
First round's hinge.
All right.
I haven't even shot these arrows at 20 yards, so.
I'm left, he's right. Never checked if you put it to 20 yards.
I don't even know what, I did. I checked it. I don't even know what 20 is on this tape.
We're at 21.
Oh, that's from here.
Yeah. Hopefully we're still in focus.
3 is 30. So I'm gonna lose this round. We're going hinge. You always got to start bottom left.
That's what I start. I do left, top, right. I don't know if that's the right way to do it or not.
Here goes nothing.
Also,
Ew.
we did not plan to match shirts,
They wouldn't have noticed if you didn't say anything.
but shout out Grafton Archery.
That was a little high, so I'm gonna make a little adjustment here. That air went in there weird too. Oh my God.
My gracious.
I don't even think so. No click. Hinge went off early. Ooh, it just went off again.
Go look at them.
That was ugly. I'm not used to shooting such close distances, so.
I won that. We'll do match play. I got 10, 10, 9. He was 9, 0, whatever.
909.
All right. Heads. Button this round.
Already had it in my hand. I should go to Vegas.
Yeah,
Not to shoot bows.
sometime.
I'm just gonna slam this thing out and see what happens. Oh, baby.
Oh man, what was that?
Baby. Somebody's closer. Oh.
Might be in trouble with this one. That looks like 2 X's down there.
bit weird too.
This might be an L. So I got 99X. You got XX9.
No, that's a 10.
We'll call that a win for you. I really hope we can use the audio because it has decided to pick up about 20 mile an hour wind for no reason. So who knows? If you can hear us, it means I posted a YouTube video. If you can hear us, this never made it past my computer.
We have heads. That's the button again.
That's not good. I would like to point out the fact this is unfair.
I would like to point out the fact that I never shoot 3-spot and
He's
fours.
shooting VTAX 25s. I'm shooting a 5mm Victory XVs.
Shouldn't have brought a knife to a gunfight.
Whatever.
That's all I can tell you.
That wind scared me. I punched it.
Oh, you got a light. Let there be light. Oh, drop that.
Betsy.
Is there like a tornado or something?
I like your neighborhood.
Not our best performance there.
9, 10. That's 2-1, son. I wish the camera could pick this up. It looks like we're in the desert. There is pollen flying everywhere. Half feels like a tornado is about to come through, but still shooting. We got heads again. Score is 2 me, 1 Will with 2 ends left. I can say bye bye Will. I'll win this one.
Not gonna handle this one. Going all the way. Well, we might fly away though.
Ooh, drop that. Close 20. Also with 20.
Brother. Do you mind?
Normally pretty punchy. But I'm actually punchy right now.
It's blowing a gale.
Good shot. Your stabilizer was like
Oh,
this.
dude, I was all over the place.
Not to break your heart or anything, but I think you had a X game you won. I think you were going to do it with the third shot. Oh, 8 X9
10.
10.
Wait.
Might be a 10X. I can't tell from here.
It's a 10X.
We'll call it 10X, 10X, 9. Will takes that one.
2-2 last round. Here we go. It's very cool. They need to set up a light. We do it again.
I have a really bad issue with getting stuck in my hinge. How's the poor showing?
He just got smoked.
10X. Wow, wow. Whatever.
Winner.
We'll run.
Took the game.
Whatever.
He claims he's the best 3-spot shooter
Never claimed that.
this side of 95.
Never claimed that.
Or
Anyways,
something like that.
thanks for watching.
He just got his ass beat.
If you like it and you want to see more content like this, like, subscribe. If you hate it, yeah, comment. I have thick skin. Anyways, go shoot your bow. Yeah, thanks.